Hello, Nestor with Group 3. Good day. Hope you're having a fabulous one. It is a wonderful day here in Florida, a little bit cold. Today we have another unboxing. Unboxings. If you're interested in finding out what's in these boxes, stay tuned. Okay, so I just love these Amazon boxes. I guess this is multiple things that you'll have to see at the same time. This is the Mountdog Softbox light kit. The second box is by Pyle. This is the Pyle foldable tripod microphone stand. There's an actual light bulb. That was complicated. Oh, there's Velcro here. So I'm guessing in the corner. There's Velcro absolutely. This side. That look. This is the Mountdog soft box, light box. It does come with a remote control. You would get this toy. So excited, you open it up, little kid, and it doesn't turn on because there's no batteries. Oh, there's a button here. Gotta first turn it on. Oh, hey, that's pretty slick. Controls. Oh, see? So there's 20%, 50%, and 100%. Wow, that's nice. And there's this cover that filters. It's supposed to make you more elegant. I'm not sure. Oh, see? White. You have to point the remote. Warm, cold. Wow. I like that. That's sweet. And then there's, I guess, brightness, kelvins. Wow, I like the fact that you can go from white to cold. Look at that. Even if the sun is actually coming right through my window, and I have another window over there, to me this is the lighting is good enough. But if I can supplement this, and or if I can film during the afternoon or even in the evening, just if the light is good enough, it's perfect. We will try this out. Let's move on to the other tripod. Next is this Pyle, because the camera will focus in on my eyes and won't focus on this. So this is the base. So let me get this up. Base, and it does have a little knob there. Oh, up and down, and then this. Actually, I'm sorry. Okay, now I'm a little bit lost. This is for my microphone. The reason why I purchased this, now currently I do have my Rode Wireless. It's basically a wireless system, and the other end of it, the receiver, is connected to my Sony camera. When I'm vlogging using the cell phone, it does have a special adapter, so it connects directly to the cell phone. I wanted to improve my sound in my office slash bedroom slash studio slash musician room. This room is everything, right? This is my Audio Technica. This one here this is what they call a shock microphone. Basically what you do is you put your microphone in there, and these are like strong rubber bands, and when the wind blows, these rubber bands act like shock absorbers. This microphone is more on the professional side. I'm not a professional, but I'm gonna loosen this up. And then my goal is to have it something like that. We're gonna test this one out. I'm not sure that my microphone can hold up on this tripod, but that's what this tripod is. It's supposed to hold your microphone up, but it does not hold up this one. Maybe I'm just, and it's a little bit unbalanced. Anyway, I will try this out, and then I will let you know whether or not this is a product that is good for just a regular microphone. Thank you for watching the video. Hopefully you got something out of my crazy setup here. We'll see. Anyway, hope you're doing well. Really appreciate your time. If you have any questions about any of these two products, please leave a comment and I will answer them as soon as I possibly can. Thank you very much. Hope you're having a great day.